Good morning, children. In this lesson, we are going to know about the process photosynthesis, that is, how plants make their food. We all know that the plants are green color, that is, especially the leaves are green in color because of the substance chlorophyll in it. The process of preparing food by leaves is called photosynthesis. What are the things needed for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. In the plant, the leaf is a food factory of the plant. Here, that is, the food is prepared by the leaves of the plant. Because of the chlorophyll, the chlorophyll absorbs sunlight from the plant and the plant absorbs carbon dioxide from the air. Also, with the help of the roots, the plant absorbs water from the soil, and with the help of the sun, energy from the sun, the carbon dioxide and water are put together to form a food, that is, the glucose is formed. Also, the oxygen is released into the air and water is evaporated as water vapor. Once again, the process of preparing food by leaves is called photosynthesis. That is, the things needed for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. And the carbon dioxide is absorbed from the air and water is absorbed from the soil. That is, with the help of the sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are put together to form a food, that is called glucose, which is converted into starch and stored as food in the plant. In the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is released into the air. Also, the water is evaporated as water vapor. Now, we are going to learn about the parts of a leaf. The leaf is green in color. Mainly, it is green in color. The flat part of the leaf is called a leaf blade. Across the center of the leaf, there is a thick vein that is called midrib. From the midrib, there are small veins running along, that is called side veins. Then on the underside of the leaf, there are small pores, that is called the stomata, through which the exchange of gases takes place. That is, during the process of photosynthesis, the leaves absorb carbon dioxide, that is, the exchange of gases, the plant absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen to the air. The stomata helps to exchange the gases. The stomata irundha gases ulla varum veliye poradhukku useful ah. Then what are the functions of the main vein? Naduvula main vein podhu. Idunde function adu. First of all, for the photosynthesis, water is needed. But water and minerals, it absorbs water and minerals from the root. Also, food வந்து இங்க prepared ஆகுது. இந்த food வந்து connect பண்ணும். Also, it carries the food prepared by the leaf to the other parts of the plant. Right? What are the functions of the main vein? Or midrib or main vein. That is, it carries the food prepared by the leaf to the other parts of the plant. Also, it carries water and minerals from the soil to the leaf. Then, during the process of photosynthesis, the food is prepared. The extra food the food prepared by the leaf is used to produce flowers, fruits, and leaves. Also, it helps for the growth of the plant. The extra food is stored as starch in the plant. That is, the food is prepared as glucose. It is converted into starch and it is stored in the plant. The storage part may be in the stem or in the root or in the seeds or leaves. In the potato plant, the extra food is stored in the stem. That is, the food we eat, that is the potato. Potato is the stem of the plant. The root, in the carrot plant, the extra food is stored in the root. In the peas, the food we eat are the seeds of the plant. In the cabbage plant, the food is stored in leaves. Next, unusual plants. This is a cactus plant. It is a desert plant. In deserts, the plants are dry. Here, there is scarcity of water. Here, in this plant, there are no leaves. Then how do they prepare food? how do they prepare food? இங்க வந்து இலையே இல்லாம எப்படி food எப்படி தயாரிக்க முடியும்? Here instead of leaves க்கு பதிலா there are tiny thorns. தான்னா இது முள்ளு இருக்கு. Here the instead of leaves stems prepare the food. The stem is fleshy, that is அப்படி thick fleshy இருக்கும் the stem. Here the stem prepares food. Instead of leaves the stem prepare food. Also the leaves are reduced to thorns. ஏன் leaves வந்து ஏன் முள்ளா இருக்கு அப்படினா it prevents the excess water being lost in the இது வந்து dry place டெசர்ட்ல இருக்கறனால இதுல உள்ள தண்ணி எல்லாம் evaporate ஆயிடும். அதனால என்னது it prevents excess water from being lost. Also it protects the plants from the animals. The questions may be like that. In cactus, why are leaves modified into thorns? That is, in cactus the leaves are modified to thorns to prevent excess water being lost. Also it protects the plant from the animals. Next, it is then the other unusual plant is mushroom. It is a fungus. It has no chlorophyll in them, and so it does not cannot prepare its own food, and so it absorbs food from living plants or animals or dead plants or animals. That is, a fungus mushroom இருக்கு. அது வந்து உயிருள்ள செடி மேலேயே இருக்கு. ஒரு மழை பெஞ்சா வந்துடும். அடுத்தப்ப எங்கேயாவது ஒரு இது இறந்து கிடந்துச்சு, ஒரு செடி கீழே மரம் வெட்டுப்பட்டு கிடந்துச்சு, அதுலேயும் என்ன செய்யலாம் நீங்க? You can see mushroom. Thank you.